There's a stillness within us, a moment of patience. In moments when the grass is too tall to see, and we search for the light to set us free, we must remember that we are too resilient and strong, that we can survive the gusts of wind all nightmare long. We'll occasionally get pricked and bleed upon the dirt. We'll water the soil with our tears and plant the seeds of hurt. We will bloom and shed our petals courageously to the wind. We will die and decay again and again. Feasting upon rebirth, a new day is born. The night gives us perspective and the day makes us warm. When both becomes one, peace becomes one. When there's no divide of time or space, reality has a pleasant taste. Good and bad do not exist. It's in these words of endless bliss. Be patient, my friend. There is no beginning, nor is there an end.
Hello?